Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we're going to look at the Sp500, the Nasdaq, the Dow, what's going on right now with these markets. We seem to be slowing down right now, and things look a little bit toppy, and are we going to start to see a massive pullback in the markets and all that sort of stuff, and or are we going to run to new highs, or what's going to happen right now and what's going on right now, and all that sort of stuff. So I've got a lot to cover with you guys in today's session. I want to start off with this, guys. Okay, I want to start off firstly with this, is that if you know what to look for, I just finished doing a coaching, an hour and a half with a coaching session with my private clients, and I was talking to them about the trading and so on and so forth. Guys, if you know what to look for in these markets and not get so sucked into these markets, there's so many amazing opportunities that are underneath our feet right now. If you know what to look for and how to have a really good system, there really is. So whatever you follow out there, guys, forget all the fear mongering right now. There is amazing opportunities to make some really good money, not only for the short term, for cash flow. And I was talking to my private clients about that. There's amazing opportunities that could be setting up this week right now for a really good cash flow opportunity. We're probably talking a couple of 100% return on that trade if it does work. If we do end up getting into a position, we're waiting for the confirmation. And then there's like 3 markets right now that we're looking at right now that are likely to make Bitcoin types of moves over the next, say, 5 years or more. It's like, guys, there's so many amazing opportunities out there that you can really see. So anyway, that'll take me an hour and a half to walk through, because I had to walk through all the details with my private clients for. So anyway, guys, you guys can do so well from these markets. You really can. And the next thing I want to say, guys, is, I have seen so many people email me asking me for help, and I've simply said, I'm sorry, my coaching program is closed. My coaching program normally costs $10,000 because you get my #1 trading strategy, and every week, just like I shared with you just then, every week I'm sharing with you, the trades, and every day I'm on the Facebook group talking to you about different opportunities, and every week I'm doing a live session helping you understand what's going on in the markets right now, and sharing with you the major opportunities that are underneath our feet right now. But you know what? I've been thinking about this for a while, and I've been thinking, I really want to help some people out through there. I don't want to take on too many more people with my coaching program. So for the very first person to email me at howtrader@gmail.com, you get my coaching program. You get my #1, you get my cash flow strategy, you get the long-term strategy, and also you get the sessions where I'm talking about jumping in trades that are going to last for really massive moves over the next 3, 4, 5 years. What are those setups? What am I looking at doing there? Also the cash flow trades and more, and also some other style of trades as well too. If you're looking for that, looking to have my scans to scan the trades for you, scan the markets for you. If you're looking to have me as your coach every single day on the Facebook group, and also every week I'm doing a live coaching session. If that's for you, I normally charge 10 grand, but I want to help just one person out. First person gets it for 2.5 grand. Email me. The first person to email me gets it at Howell, HOWELL, trader@gmail.com. Now, with that all being said, guys, as I said before, there's so many amazing opportunities out there. Just please listen to the market and look what's going on in these markets here, okay? If we can see what's happening right now with the Sp500, we can see that we are continuing to rise. We had a bit of a down day today, and so if we look at this Sp500, look what's happening here right now. If I delete everything off the screen here, okay, and I draw a trend line from, say, there, okay, from there to there, right? Look what's happening here right now. We came down. Look at all this here. It came down, found support, rallied up, and now we're just going sideways. But notice how we're still above this trend line here right now. So we're still in a very nice, strong move. I don't know if we're definitely going to get a pullback here, but we're definitely in a very strong move through here. Now the Dow Jones once again we've got a nice little what? Look at this here. Right, there we go, from there to there. Right, look at this here. We just came up, and now we're having a bit of a see how we're just still in this sideways range. But even if we did get a bit of a break to the downside, it's probably likely to be short-lived. We have a bit of support through here, and then there's a lot of support down here. So even if we did get a bit of a pullback here right now, guys, a bit of a drop to the downside, I don't see us breaking to all-time new lows. Even if we did get some form of a pullback through there, as you can see, we're still going all sideways through here, and then also The Nasdaq, same thing as well too, right? Look at the Nasdaq, right? The Nasdaq is just doing, look at this here, right? The Nasdaq is just doing this. This is the Nasdaq's overall trend line. Look at that here, right? This is the overall sort of, well, look what happened through there. What was that? What happened there? It just snapped back, didn't it? Look at that. There we go. Cool. All right, that's the line through there. All right, let's just do this. All right, so that's the line through there. Right through there. So as we can see, right, this is line 3. So even if we did get a bit of a pullback on the Nasdaq, look at what's happening here right now on the Nasdaq, right? We're still getting what? We're getting this low point through here, rally up, came down, lower, higher, low, or rallying up. So even if we did get a bit of a pullback, guess what's not going to happen? Higher, low, and a rally up. So we're still in a very big up. We're still in a very nice upward trend right now. If you are saying the market's going to crash and we're going to make a new low, that's based on what you think and what you've been listening to, all this other crap out there, okay? Please, don't listen to that. Listen to the markets. The market is always right. Why? Because that's the thing we trade. And if the market says we're in a nice upward move, so trying to short this market right now is very risky, it's not very high probability, then why are you doing it? Oh, John, you don't know. You just don't know, right? This is definitely going to happen. Okay. I don't know what's going to happen, guys, but the collective wisdom, it's simply important to listen to this and always listen to the markets, especially the Nasdaq, with Netflix making all-time new highs, Amazon making all-time new highs, and we've got this massive gap up here on what's the word for it? On Nasdaq. Massive opportunity to start to go long here, to start to see this thing rally into the upside on Nasdaq. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys, in the overall indices. Even if we did get a bit of a pullback, yes, we are oversold right now, so a bit of a pullback's not going to happen, but especially that Nasdaq, I would not want to be fighting it.